Hello everyone, this is H Academy. Today we will solve M1 January 2026 question number 3. This question is about resultant vector. So let's solve it. So first of all, they told us in the question, a particle P moves on a smooth horizontal plane under the action of three horizontal forces F1, F2 and F3, where F1 is given as 2pi minus 3pj, F2 is given qi plus j, F3 is given 3i minus qj Newton. Where q, p and q are constants, the resultant force acts in the direction of vector 4i minus 5j. Show that 2p minus q equals to 90. Okay, so first of all, you have to add up all these forces together. Here are the forces. So if I write like this, F1 plus F2 plus F3. So if we add all the forces, we got here is 2pi minus 3pj plus qi plus j plus 3i minus qj. These are the forces. Now we have to take all the I components together and all the j components together. If you take all the I components together, we get is 2pi. We don't take I here. 2p plus q plus 3 plus 3, and outside we'll write I, then q components here. The q components are, these are the q components. So minus 3 plus 1, you can write j as 1, then minus q. Then these are the j components. Okay, now we have to move to the second line here. Now they have told us the resultant force acts in the direction of vector is 4i minus 5j. So now you have to divide I component by j component here. 2p plus q plus 3 divided by minus 3, minus 3, yes. Here will be a p here, sorry. 3p plus 1 minus q equals to the resultant vector, which is 4i minus 5j. We write like this, 4 divided by minus 5. Now we'll cross multiply this. Minus 5 into this. 2p plus q plus 3 equals to, then this into this. Now we have to multiply this. If we multiply this, we get this. This is minus 5 into 2p, which is we get here is 10p, then minus 5q, then minus 5 into 3, which is minus 15, then equals to minus 4 into minus 3, which is minus 12p, and 4 into 1 is 4, then minus 4q. This is 4, this is 4. Okay, so now you have to subtract here. So if you subtract here, if we keep all this in one side, minus 5q and minus 4. So I have to take this side all these in one side here. So first of all, it is minus 10p and it is minus 12p. So if I change the side here, minus 10p, and if this is minus here, if it come if this comes in this side, it will be plus 12p, plus 12p, and write this, and then I get it. Then it is q, and q is plus 5, then it is minus 5q, and this is minus 4q. If it comes this side, it will be plus 4q. That equals to, here is 4 is given here, 4 is in this side, 4 is given in this side because they have told us to show like this way. So it is 4, and this 15 will come in this side, which will be plus 15. So if we solve this, we get is minus 10 plus 12, which is 2p. Then minus 5 plus 4 is minus q, equals to 4 plus 15, which is 19. And this is shown here. You can see the show that is 2p minus q equals to 19. Yes, this is given. 2p minus q equals to 19. It is shown here now. This is the part A here. Part A done. Now the question, the part B. And the part B says the mass of the particle is 0.5 kg. And given that p equals to 7, and they have told us to find the acceleration of the particle. So they have told us to find the acceleration of the particles. How can we find the acceleration of the particle? By using the formula F equals to ma. Okay, now let's do it. Let's solve it. It's part B. They told us the mass is 0.5 kg. And they have given us the p value, which is 7, I guess. Yes, 7. Is given 7, and we have find it and show that here, which is 2p minus equal to 19. So 2p minus q equals to 19. Because of it, first of all, you have to find the q here. So 2 into 7 minus q equals to 19. It's 14. And q equals to 19. If you solve it, then we get this q equals to, which is minus 5. We got this. So this p equals to 7 and q equals to minus 5. Now we have to bring that part, this part. We have to bring this part. Okay. Okay, now wait. Let's wait. This 5. Now we have to put p equals to 7 and q equals to minus 5. Equals to minus 5. We have to put this here. So if we put this here, we will find that equation. Is that 2pi minus 3pj plus qi plus j plus 3i minus qj. So to put the p and q here, if you put it here, we get is, first of all, you have to separate the components now. We have separated the components in the part here, I guess. Yes, here I guess I have separated the components here. Yes, here. So I have to need these two also. Okay, so this is I needed. Here I will put P and the value of P and the value of Q. So I put it here. I'll get is uh, first of all I will put it here as 14 minus 5 plus 3 I plus minus 21 plus 1, and Q here is given minus here and the Q value is minus here. So minus minus is plus. And the acceleration and the mass times acceleration, which is 0.5 and A. This is like form of F equals to ma. This is mass, this is the acceleration. So we solve it, I get it. Which is 12I plus, this will be minus here, minus 15J equals to 0.5 A. We give a separate A here, like this way, 12I minus 15J divided by 0.5. I'll get this 12 divided by 0.5, which is 24I minus 15 divided by 0.5, which is 30J meter per second. And this is the acceleration here. So this was the question number. This is the question number 3 from January 2026. I'm on Edexcel. So we have completed the part A and part B here. You can see this was the acceleration here, and the math is completed here.